This is called Canva. And Canva is your kind of a very accessible um, uh, publishing application. So you can create things for print, for online. You can design newsletters. You can design email templates. And Canva integrates with other products that are out there, even other AI products, which is kind of neat. So I have Canva attached to one of the other AI tools that I use. So I can integrate the two together. So Canva, if you already have access to this, you actually have Canva access to Canva's AI. Now, Canva's AI is right now is really about AI content creation using AI. It's not yet as much about automation. And so when you want to look for that, one of those tools is right down here. Now, this icon, I know it's kind of hard to see. Let me zoom in. It's not going in. On the left, way bottom left is what we're looking at. There is these stars. This is starting to become a ubiquitous icon out there where a lot of organizations are identifying their AI feature that's embedded in an existing app using this one. So in this one, I'm going to use a tool called Magic Write. So Magic Write pops up, and it's actually Magic Write is showing this this field where you can ask it to type to write up something, a piece of content. So we're going to take a look at that right now. Write up an email. Well, so there it is. I just wrote that up really quickly. You know, I'm going to hit this generate button. So this is going to generate my content, whatever that is. There's the subject line, there's the whatever. And then you're going to see when this is done, it's going to give you this insert button. It gives you the copy and paste, but I can just hit insert. And this is what it does. It just takes that content and drops it in. Now, the reason why I actually like this is I think Canva is used by a lot of organizations. Maybe it's just one person. And that person might want to subscribe to a paid version of ChatGPT or Copilot. And if you're on a paid version of Canva, and this is the lowest, I think this is the lowest tier for a team. If you're on Canva, what you can do is get access to this without subscribing and spending any more money on any other products. Because although I might not find this as powerful as ChatGPT or Copilot at this point, if you're just entering into using these tools like in Canva and you see that it has an AI feature, and again, that's what most apps out there now, almost all apps, in order to stay competitive, they're adding this type of AI capability, like an embedded AI assistant, either for getting tech support, how to do things, or actually doing, performing certain tasks. And then you can take that and embed the content. So you can teach them in a tool that they already know. This is why this becomes very easy. It's in their content. It is Canva. It's not as good as Jasper, but it clearly can help produce things or review things and make the content better or allow them to produce the content faster, saving them time. Now, maybe you as a manager are saying, hey, I want to review it and we need to make it sound more like us. It's not in the right voice, whatever. And you can play with that AI technology. But there's no question that this is just very easy for people to adopt if you're already a Canva user. So again, product I like a lot. I think it's a great tool, lots of templates, lots of content that you can embed. And now this AI just helps roll things even a little bit faster in terms of producing content that might be better than some people are in terms of writers. They're just not great writers. They're great marketers, but they're maybe not great writers. This helps them get a jump start on that.